Hello everyone! Today, we're introducing a multi-fiber inspection probe that allows effortless and rapid end-face inspection of MPO connectors and MT Ferrules with just a gentle glide. The matching compact end-face inspector is space-saving, small, and can be easily set up at any workstation. With a light glide of the probe, you can quickly pan across the end face to inspect 12 to 32 fibers, multiplying your inspection speed. The entire probe operation offers controllable speed, smooth image displacement, and requires no frequent focusing, making inspections easier and simpler. High-definition imaging with 400 times per 200 times magnification options and PC/APC switching is available. How about it? Contact us now.